好，第18條咧就係考我哋邏輯思維嘅。今次嘅主題咧就係循環系統啊。咁下面啊邊一句説話咧，其實描述係正確嘅咧？咁啊做咗擊破啦。第一句就話啦，靜脈咧有一個大嘅內腔，咁啊因為咧入面運嘅血壓咧就好低喎。咁本身咧你講靜脈入面嘅血壓低咧，呢句本身冇錯嘅，但係佢就唔係攞嚟解釋翻靜脈有大嘅內腔咯。咁靜脈入面嘅血壓點解咁低咧？其實係因為啦，佢已經係離開咗嗰個泵血個力量嘅來源啊，其實即係個心臟。咁啱啱泵出嚟，梗係極高壓㗎。咁跟住啦，越嚟越遠，越嚟越遠，咁咪開始細嘅壓力咯，係咪？而正正啦，我哋咧就係想解決個邏輯思維啊。靜脈有一個大啲嘅內腔，所以佢可以減少到嗰個血流嘅阻力啊，就令到咧一個即使咁低血壓嘅血咧，都仍然可以好暢通咁樣去行落去嘅。好，去到 option B 啦。動脈咧就係一個好厚嘅彈性嘅組織，咁啊因為佢有一個好細嘅 lumen，其實啱啱反翻轉咯。其實正正係倒翻轉啊，係因為動脈有一個好厚嘅彈性組織，所以佢先有一個細嘅內腔。咁所以 B 都係錯啦。去到 option C 啦，大動脈有一個最高嘅血壓，係因為咧佢要將啲血運去全身。其實就唔係因為佢要運啲血去全身，其實係因為佢由 left ventricle 去接收啲血，而 left ventricle 咧佢係有一個最厚嘅 muscle，所以產生一個最高嘅血壓。嗰個因為所以咧就係倒轉咗嘅。咁唯獨咧就係 D 咧就係正確啦。不過唯獨 D 咧就係正確啦。咁啊一個微血管網絡啦，就係適合於咧一啲物質交換嘅。咁啊因為咧微血管有一個好薄嘅血管壁，呢句就係正確啦。因為啦微血管嘅血管壁咧，正正就係 one cell thick 同埋 differentially permeable， 咁就可以俾啲細粒嘅嘢穿過去啦。而亦都因為佢係 one cell thick 啦，所以啦嗰個擴散嘅速度咧，亦都係零舍快嘅。咁所以啦4句除咗 check 我哋嘅邏輯思維之外咧，其實都 check 下啦，我哋對於微血管嘅認識啊，點解佢又係可以幫到我哋咧做到一個物質嘅交換。咁所以成條題目咧係可以不斷咁變化嘅，可以考下我哋對於動脈啊、微血管啊同埋靜脈嘅理解。又或者啦，直頭好針對微血管去講啦，就要去 state and explain 有關於兩個微血管嘅適應性特徵，去幫佢哋咧做到一個物質交換嘅。Question 18 is about the circulatory system. Actually, for this question, we need to be aware of the logical expression of the statement. So for the option A, veins have a larger lumen because the blood pressure inside them is low. So the blood pressure inside the vein is low. This statement is true itself, but it is not the reason for the vein to have a larger lumen. So why the blood pressure inside the vein is low? Because the blood have already traveled far away from the pumping force origin. That means the heart. So once the heart beats, so of course in the aorta, the blood pressure will be the highest. And when the blood travel away from the heart, the pumping force origin, so that's why the blood pressure will drop and drop and drop. If we would like to correct this statement, we can say that the vein have a larger lumen, therefore it can reduce the resistance of the blood flow inside the vein. And for the option B, arteries have the thicker layer of the elastic tissue because they have a smaller lumen. So actually for option B, it just reverse the idea of cause and effect. Actually, the reason for the artery to have a smaller lumen is because they have a thicker layer of the elastic tissue. So that's why option B is also wrong. And for option C, the aorta has the highest blood pressure because they supply the blood to the whole body. Actually, it's also not the reason. The true reason for the aorta has the highest blood pressure is because the aorta receives the blood from the left ventricle. And the left ventricle, the feature is that they have the thickest muscle wall in the heart. So that's why the left ventricle can generate the greatest pressure. And the final answer is D. The capillary network is suitable for the material exchange because the capillary has the thinnest wall. So for option D is checking our understanding of capillary. It can allow the material exchange because the wall of the capillary, they are one cell thick, it allows rapid diffusion. And also the capillary wall is differentially permeable. So that's why some small molecules, they can pass through in and out of the capillary. Any possible question variation? So this question is checking our understanding to the artery, capillary, and vein. So that's why A, B, C, D, we can just change it whatever we want. Meanwhile, we can focus on the capillary and ask you to state and explain two adaptive features of the capillary for material exchange.